All right, this is the shaft. It holds the umbrella. They have a clip here that holds a pocket with the umbrella, and it goes under here. The problem is it slips off all the time. So this is our first clip. You see that? This is our first clip. It is made with hooks to grab around this, and it has a piece here to bump up against and hold the umbrella in place. It goes on like this, just like that. It's just enough to hold it in place. So I'm going to install this by just having the umbrella together the way it's supposed to be, and then I'm going to bump this up underneath, just like that. And that's installed, and it puts some resistance on the umbrella and the cloth, and we'll put that up here. These Hayneedle umbrellas, they come off, and you can see how that's going to hold, okay? So that holds on right there. Now, one of the other problems we see is you can see these things falling off. So this clip is designed to go under the frame like this, and it has room underneath to save the extra fabric. And a little bit of extra, it's a little loose so that it'll fit around the fabric, and put it on like this. So I'm going to put the fabric back on over the thing. The key is to pull it all the way down so it's at the bottom. I take this little lip of fabric, can you see this? And I fold it up. I just roll it up. Now it's tight. Now what I'm going to do is throw the clip on there while holding it in place. Just like that. Now I'll put the umbrella up. And that clip will stay in place. And then when I put the umbrella down, it'll stay in place as well. So I have a few more of those clips to make. But between that clip and this clip here, you can see this one installed. Your umbrella shouldn't come off anymore, and it'll stop the ends from getting tattered and rattled. So thanks for watching.